Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you're all fine and safe. I'm Mrs. Rani, 3rd standard maths teacher. Kindly follow all safety measures, children. Wash your hands frequently, eat healthy food, avoid going out unnecessarily, and spend good time with your parents. Please help them in their routine work, okay, so that you won't feel like bored, and please don't waste time in the watching TV and playing games. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 4, measurements. Okay, in the measurement we are going to learn about length. Okay, children, measurement of length. Okay, for measuring the length we have 2 units here. One is non-standard units, another one is standard units. Okay, first we'll learn about non-standard units, then we'll move on to the standard units. Okay, children, in the non-standard units I'll read one by one. First is a finger width, second is hand span, third cubit, fourth pace, and fifth one is foot span. See, in this units, when you are measuring with this units, you will be getting the answers. The measurement will vary from person to person. I'll tell you how. See, first one is finger width, isn't it? Finger width means if you are having finger this is the 1 inch. See, this part is, this alone is a 1 inch. Okay, so my finger will be having a different size than yours, isn't it? If you keep your fingers like that, your finger will be smaller. If I am measuring any things, if I'm measuring a scale or something, okay, if I'm measuring with my inch of, that is the finger width, if I'm measuring with my finger, this will vary, isn't it? But if you are measuring the same scale with your finger width, the answer will be vary. Understood, children? Like that. So non-standard units will have a different measurements that will vary from person to person. So first we'll see about one by one. Finger width, as I told you already now. The other things I'll explain you now. Okay. See, in this picture, all this non-standard unit measurements are given here, isn't it? The finger width, just now I told you, isn't it? The 1 inch, that is this one finger, this 1 inch is, we say as a 1 centimeter. But according to the finger size, it will change, isn't it? So this is finger width. And next we are going to see about the foot span. Foot span, nothing but the foot length. How if you are keeping your leg down, you just measure your foot length and you check with your parents. If you ask your mother or father, whoever is free, you just ask them to keep the foot in the same place where you are keeping, in the same floor. Okay, you just check how length their leg is. This is foot span. Okay, children. And next is, we are going to know about the pace. Pace is nothing but when you are taking a walk. Okay, first when you are taking a walk, one leg if you are rising and the another length, the distance between one leg to the another leg, the one foot to the another foot, how much the distance is there, this is called the pace. Okay, next is a hand span, nothing but the you could have seen this. Okay, some people will be taking a measurement like this, no? This fingers, that is your thumb finger, and to the last finger, the small finger, this much measurement, okay, this much length we'll take, no? This is the called as a hand span, one hand span, okay? This length, the total length of from the thumb finger to the last small finger. Okay, children. And last one is cupid. It's a very good example for giving is, have you seen your mommy will be buying flowers, isn't it? Malli poo ellam poo vipanga, the person will be measuring in their hand. How they will do? They will be holding the flower in this tip of their fingers and they will take till this elbow, isn't it? So when they are measuring this, they will say oru molam. Right? That oru molam, they are telling a molam. That is only called as a cubit. Okay, children, you understood? So these are the non-standard units. But in this non-standard units, we won't get the exact answers. Only with the standard measurement only, we can say the exact measurement of anything. Okay, children? In the standard units, we have millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay, we have this 4. Okay, these are the standard units which make the measurements clear in the length. Okay, I'll teach you one by one. Okay, in this first we should understand which is a smaller, next bigger. Okay, like that we should identify, then only it will be easy for you to convert. In the standard units, we have millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. I said no, the 4 units, isn't it? In this millimeter, 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. Okay, I have made this like a steps so that you can easily remember like a first step, which is the first step, which is the second, and which will be the third. Okay, so the smallest is the millimeter. 10 millimeters together can make a 1 centimeter. See, in the scale, if you have a scale in your house, you just take and see from the 0 to the 1, 10 small lines will be there. That is only 10 millimeters. Okay, this 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. Okay, children, in this next after millimeter, centimeter, isn't it? So after the centimeter, how many centimeters makes 1 meter means the centimeters, 100 centimeters should be there. See, in your long scale or short scale means 15 centimeter will be there. Long scale will be having 30 centimeters. But we need 100 centimeters to make 1 meter. Mommy will be buying dresses, isn't it? Have you seen for blouse or chudidars and all, they will take a material, the cloth they will be buying. They will ask how many meters you need. They will be asking in the shop, isn't it? Like that. That meter, 100 centimeter will make a 1 meter. Understood, children? So from this meter, the kilometer is the highest last step. Okay, va? This meter, 1000 meters we need to make 1 kilometer. So in the steps method, if you remember, it will be very easy to recall which is a bigger and which is a smaller. Why? Because when you are doing a conversion, we have to convert it in a different way. Understood, children? So please remember this steps. Okay, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. This is the correct order. Okay, children? I hope you understood today's class, measurement of length, non-standard units and standard units. Isn't it, children? In the standard units, in the next videos, we'll be doing the sums and we are going to find out the conversions. Okay, children? In this Roman letter, first fill in the blanks we are going to learn. Okay, second is the short form. Okay, in the fill in the blanks, the millimeter is the smaller unit of length and the kilometer is the bigger unit of length. See the video carefully and write the ascending order of millimeter, meter, centimeter and kilometer. And as well as the descending order also you should find out and write. What is ascending order, children? Ascending order is a small to big and descending order is big to small. Okay, children? Okay, we came to the end of today's session. Thanks for watching, children. Hope you all understood the concept. And in our next video, we'll study about the standard units clearly. Okay, and please write down this assignment, the 3 sheets I am going to give you as an assignment. Complete writing it. Please don't trouble your parents. You complete yourself writing the notes. Learn the new spellings. Okay, children? Bye. I'll see you in the next video.